Welcome travelers to this new video. I just deboarded my QATAR Airways flight from Amsterdam to Doha and I'm now heading for my connecting flight to Dubai, which is operated by a QATAR Airways Airbus A350-1000. At Doha Hamad Airport there is a train inside the terminal which looks very futuristic.
The train is arriving at Northern Station.
Have a look at the beautiful design and decoration of the airport. Boarding for my flight to Dubai has already started on time. My plane for the day is this beautiful brand new Airbus A350-1000. The economy class cabin is very modern and spacious. This is my seat for this flight, 35A. I think I have never seen an economy class cabin which is that modern and well designed. The tray table on this aircraft can be unfolded like this. The very relaxing boarding music is typical for QATAR Airways, and I personally love it. As you can see, the legroom on this aircraft is very good. We will soon start our journey to Dubai, but let's first enjoy some impressions of the cabin with this fantastic boarding music.
We're here to make the greatest safety film for one of the most awarded airlines in the world.
You've had to put in a bit much now. No. You've got their attention. And yours, you lovely people on board. This is for you. Okay, Rob, back of the net. That means go.
Exits and walkways must be kept clear at all times. Baggage should be securely stowed in the overhead compartments or under the seat in front of you.
So you heard him, move it!
In-flight entertainment monitors should be folded away.
That's it, find the space, slot it through, close it down, shimmy to the left, shimmy to the...
fact that Qatar Airways offers a full meal on this flight is very impressive. The meal consists of 3 little dishes, an orange juice, and there is a refreshing towel as well. The meal was very tasty and was a good snack for a flight of 45 minutes. You will find a safety card in the seat pocket in front of you. The seat also is equipped with a power outlet and a USB charger. The cabin of the A350-1000 is extremely modern and spacious. In my opinion, it's the best economy class product of Qatar Airways. As you can see, we are already approaching Dubai, with a fantastic view from one of the cameras which are installed on the A350-1000.
The local time here is 3:30 in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to complete stop and the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please take care when opening overhead storage compartment and ensure they have full.
This was my experience flying Qatar Airways Airbus A350-1000. I hope you enjoyed watching, like and subscribe if you want to support this channel. See you next time in one of my next videos.